There's a follow-up to my Frigidaire. They sent somebody out. Follow-up video to my last one. They sent somebody out to check this thing out on Friday. Of course, they did nothing because the refrigerator was running when the technician came out. Went camping this weekend, came back, and it had a high temperature alert. And this says it's 37 degrees. However, the temperature in the fridge, 64 degrees, 64. So again, refrigerator's still not working. Stuff in the freezer's fine. So yeah, the problem still not fixed. Technician was over here for 2 hours on the phone with Frigidaire and whatever their parent company is, KitchenAid, or I don't know. But this is the kind of quality you can expect with a Frigidaire appliance and Frigidaire service. You could see it's $1,700 fridge. It's 13 months old. Not sure what else to say. This is the fourth batch of groceries that are now ruined for the most part. And yeah, and Frigidaire doesn't do anything. So, good job, Frigidaire. Thanks for sending a tech out.